Hey there, girlfriend. Are you a busy professional that values her opinion but wants to rock her uniqueness with Mary Kay? Well, we are in for a treat today, and we are so excited to share with how to apply a red lipstick. Let's do this, shall we? Well, hello there. So let's talk about how to apply a red lipstick. I've been getting many people to ask me about this, and I just wanted to share some insight on exactly how to do this. But I wanted to tell you a story first. I was talking to one of my girlfriends, Jackie, and she was telling me that when she applies her red lipstick, that it goes on red, but over time it changes to like a deep plum. And she really wasn't sure exactly how to remedy that. So in this video today, I'm going to show you exactly how I told her, what really showed her how to apply this lipstick so she would keep the red and get rid of the plum. So when we first started this, first of all, I wanted to tell you that Jackie has dark lips. So a lot of time the base color of your lips has a lot to do of what the final color ends up being. So the first thing I would recommend that you do is to line your lips. Now, typically when people think about lining their lips, they're thinking about just going around the perimeter of their lips and doing it that way. And typically that's what folks do. And when you do that, that's going to help your lipstick stay on longer. However, since she was having trouble with the actual color, instead of just doing the perimeter, I suggested that she actually fill it in. Now, this lip liner that I'm about to use, you're going to see it's going to be like, whoa, I thought you said you were putting on red lipstick. It is orange, but the reason that I'm using this orange is because another thing that I realized when I was talking to Jackie is that it wasn't just the base color of her lips. It was also just her body chemistry. So being more in line with what the color that we actually wanted, I suggested that she use like an orange to apply um, to line her lips with. So I'm going to do exactly what I suggested. So like I was just telling you, you would typically do the perimeter of your lips when it came to lining, going from one end to the other. When you do your top lip, you want to go from one side to the middle, one side to the middle, because you have this little indentation in your lips. Now, what I was suggesting that she did was instead of just leaving it like this and apply your lipstick inside, I recommended that she actually fill her lips in with the liner. Now, as I said, this is an orange that I'm using, but the orange is going to be what's going to keep her lipstick red because, like I said, she has darker lips and the body chemistry was changing the red, bright red lipstick. And she showed me it was bright, just like this one. It's going to change this bright red lipstick into, it's going to keep it red instead of changing to plum. So once you apply this lip liner on, and as you can see, it's a matte, so it doesn't have any kind of shine to it, but it's definitely one, going to keep the lipstick on, and two, is going to keep the color. So when you apply the lipstick on top, it's a red still, but it's a brighter red. And because of this being a brighter red, it's going to actually help the lipstick stay on longer and then keep the color. Because as my body chemistry or her body chemistry was working with the lipstick, it actually stayed red. So if you're having this problem too, this is what you want to do. First and foremost, use a lip liner and fill your lips in with the lip liner. I chose a orange because I know hers was going darker. So I did something a little bit brighter than her lipstick. If you are having that same trouble, I would probably suggest something brighter than what you're normally using. So that's why we use the orange. And then apply the lipstick on top. And then as you see, it is a bright red, bright red that will stay on that will last all day. Now, the only thing that, well, I won't say last all day. This is a gel lipstick. It does have the moisture benefits of the gel. It is not one of those long lasting lipsticks. Typically, those long lasting lipsticks are alcohol based and they dry your lips out. So over time, you have very dry lips. And I'm not sure if you have heard me say this, your lips do not have oil glands. So when you apply your lipstick on, you want to make sure that you have something that's somewhat more gel based. Now, granted, you will have to reapply, but your lips will not be as dry and cracky if you do it this way. So the key learning from this: use lip liner, fill your lips all the way in, and then apply your lipstick, and then you will get the color that you actually want. So if you have any questions about this or wanting to know about the lip liners, you can scan this QR code. It'll take you directly to my website for you to see the other lip liners that we offer. We have a variety of different lip liners for you to choose from. And in addition to that, you will see the other lipsticks that are available. This one that I have on is Red Smolder. There's another one that's a little bit brighter that's called Red Stiletto. It is a matte though. This one, the Red Smolder, is a shine lipstick. So then you have the variety of the different finishes too. If you want a shine, you can look at shine. If you want more of a matte, you can look at the matte and then look at the various lip liners. So again, check out the website, and I hope this was a benefit to you. And if it is, comment below and let us know, and share this with 3 of your girlfriends. Thanks for watching as always, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.